guys, look, I'm getting ready to head inside of Ross. You know I always like to take you with me shopping, but I'm just gonna stop by since I'm over here in this Target shopping area, and I don't want to just pass by Ross without going inside, because hey guys, you know that when you sleep on Ross you miss out on a lot of good items. So guys, I'm gonna take you on this journey with me. I'm approaching Ross right now, and hopefully you and I can find some good find. If not, then hey, I don't have anything to lose. But here we are, and I will see you inside of Ross. This is Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. I'm looking at these pumpkins here. They are heavy though. Let's head to the back. And we're back here by the mirrors, but okay. They got this to leave here for $19.99. That mirror there is $19.99 as well. It's $14.99. And that piece is $22.99. Got these vases here. Oh, they're $19.99 each. This green vase here is $17.99. Let's see how much is this, guys. That's $9.99. It's not bad. Let me put this in my buggy and just see if I change my mind. I don't know, but we're going to see. We'll just put both of those in my buggy, and I will determine before I leave, is this something that I'm going to get. That's $12.99. I don't think I want that. I'm really looking for me some golds. These here are too small. These are little small candles. I need the ones that holds the pillow. Well, they don't have that much here, but I just want to stop. And since I was over in this area, they got two of these here. Okay, you guys seen the rest of that stuff, so. All right, well, that's it for Ross. Let's see what they have here. Those are $6.99. Let's see, they got. Let's see, this is $12.99. got some nice rod sets. 2 come in a box for $31.99. They don't have that much furniture over here. See, that's $29. Oh, that's $27.99. That's a cute little table. That one is $19.99. Let's take a look at this here. What you think about this one? That's $24.99. And they do have 2 of those little tables. One I just showed you. They got 2 of those. And check out these lamps here. They are like $44.99. They do have 2 of these here. They do have 2 of them. And this is all the lamps that they have. 2 of these here, $24.99. So today I do notice that they got lamps in pairs instead of just one of each. You got the glass mirror lamps. And they are drum roll price, please. They're gonna make me work for it. That's $29.99 each. Okay guys, once again, this is Mary Precious Jones Huntsville coming to you in Ross. And thanking all those that have already subscribed to my channel. I really do appreciate you, and those that have not, go ahead on and click on that subscribe button underneath my video, and I will welcome you to the Precious family. Click on that notification bell so you'll know each time when I upload a new video. I want to show you this set in case if anyone was wondering how much this set cost here. So now I'm going to sound off. Bye bye. See you in the future. Your future looks good on you.